Let's take a look at a simple affiliate funnel. And to do that, we're going to look at this blog post over at ClickFunnels that shows you 3 pages that you have to create this simple affiliate funnel. Now, I'm not going to recommend ClickFunnels. I'm actually going to show you how you can build your own affiliate marketing funnel for free, and also how you can get started with affiliate marketing by using and then promoting this set of tools that's going to create the exact pages that you see here inside of this ClickFunnels blog post, showing you exactly what a simple affiliate funnel is, and that the basic idea is that the first page here, the opt-in page, gets you email subscribers, and then the thank you page, which is the second page in your funnel, builds trust, and the third page, which is the actual affiliate offer sales page, is the page that makes you money via the affiliate offer. The only 2 pages you need to create are the opt-in page and the thank you page. And you're going to do that with GrooveFunnels. There's a link in the description to grab your free account and follow along. And yes, Groove has an affiliate program. After you sign up for your free account and log in, you can learn exactly how to earn 40% recurring income for life from Groove. But before we do that, let's talk about what affiliate marketers or beginning affiliate marketers usually do and why this is a big mistake. You see here you have your target audience. That's the people you're trying to sell this offer to on the sales page as an affiliate via your affiliate link. Affiliate marketers typically start out with some type of content on YouTube or Facebook, and then they post their affiliate link. And then when your target audience finds your content on YouTube or Facebook, they click on that affiliate link and it takes them directly to the sales page where you have a chance at making affiliate commission. Going back to this ClickFunnels blog post real quick, this is a simple affiliate funnel, opt-in page, thank you page to affiliate offer. But in reality, this is what it looks like. This is your target audience that you're trying to get over to your affiliate offer. You're going to create content on YouTube and Facebook. They're going to click on your affiliate link. It's going to take them over to your opt-in page, which is one of the pages that you have to create for your simple affiliate funnel. Then you have to create your thank you page. Again, your thank you page is here to build trust. And then over to the affiliate offer where you earn your commission. The pieces that you need to understand here are you need to build an email list. You don't have to start with this at the beginning, but it is highly recommended even in this simple funnel. So we're going to talk a little bit about this inside of Groove, and I'm going to show you a free option that's not inside of Groove, but is my #1 recommendation for getting started with email marketing and building your own email list. And then we're going to talk a little bit about what content and offers are and how you can build these pages, and then how to redirect those pages back to your affiliate offer for a second chance to earn a commission, or a second, third, fourth, or fifth affiliate offer to earn more commissions. So let's go back to this simple affiliate funnel. Take a look at this opt-in page where we have a headline, a subheadline, and a place to enter our email to add them to our email list, and then take them over to a thank you page where, as you can see here, we can add a simple video. To do that, you're going to use the link in the description, sign up for Groove, come over to apps, and simply start here where it says page and funnels. Once you're inside your free account, you see you have the option to build 3 sites. You can see here if you want to create more than 3 sites. To do that, you have to unlock unlimited sites and funnels by clicking this green button to upgrade to Pro. But for now, let's click New Site. And once you're inside of here, you're going to see you have single pages, complete sites, funnels, as well as you can save your templates. Here we're going to make this easy by going to Funnels, and we're simply going to click on Free. These are the templates that you have for free. If you were to click on Lead Generation, you'll see here that there are premium templates that are only available when you upgrade to Pro. So let's just focus on the free templates right here to just get an idea how simple this is and start building. Press Select and simply name your site. We're just going to call this Affiliate Funnel, and we're going to start building. It may take a minute, but what's going to happen is it's going to build out that funnel for you from that template. Now, when you arrive here, it's going to look a little bit empty. The key here is to go down to ClickFunnels and click again on this funnel 1. And what you're going to have here is 5 pages: a home page, a checkout page, a booking page, a thank you page for booking, and a thank you page for purchase. Don't get overwhelmed by these. These are just templates. Simply click the home page, close this screen right here to give yourself some real estate, and then you simply are going to edit this page to create something that you want. by deleting things that you don't need, like for example this logo, but you can simply keep this headline, make it a valuable headline, make it something just like it says here, get my personal collection of 6 and 7 figures of Facebook ad swipe file. Of course, make it relevant to your affiliate offer. There's more videos here on the channel about that. Check those out. But let's just focus on the simple aspect of what we're doing here. Again, all we're trying to focus on here is building an opt-in page so our target audience can opt into our email list, and a thank you page so we can build more trust as we send them over to our affiliate offer. We're going to cover the components here inside of the opt-in page and the thank you page. The email list, again, I'm going to give you my recommendation at the end of this video and how to integrate that as well in the opt-in page. For now, we're just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to build an opt-in page and then redirect that to a thank you page and then redirect that over to an affiliate offer with a simple basic tutorial. Back here in Groove Pages, again, this page is a drag and drop page builder that you can get for free from Groove, link in the description. And what we're going to do here is just simply focus on the basic operations. For example, this button right here, you can click configure, and in this button you can have links to other pages or pop-ups or to your blog. What we want to do here though is we want to delete this button, and to do that we'll just click confirm, and then what we want to do is we want to come over to elements, scroll down, and simply find the integrations. And what you're looking at here under integrations is Aweber, and you're going to drag this integration over, and you're simply going to drop that integration onto the page. And once you find the spot, you're simply going to close out elements again if you don't have some real estate. Then you're simply just going to click on this element, and over here you're going to see Aweber component, and you're going to be able to configure that. Select the list once you've integrated your Aweber account, which is the option that I recommend. And you can get a free Aweber account here for free. Simply by clicking and signing up, you get everything that you need to grow your business with email marketing for free up to 500 subscribers. There'll be a card up here in the right-hand corner for a playlist that shows you exactly how to get this account and integrate it with Groove. But for now, just understand that that's all you need to do is do those simple steps inside of those videos. So be sure to watch those and then simply save that page. One note that I forgot is you need to redirect the thank you link to a page, and that page will be linked here to the funnel that you created. Again, those funnel pages that were created were the pages that were in the template. You have the home page, the checkout page, the booking page, 2 thank you pages. We'll go ahead and just link that to the thank you purchase page. And then we will go up here and we will say publish. And here you're going to set a folder. Here we're just going to call this affiliate funnel. And all this is the name of your site. And then you're going to publish this entire website by clicking this publish button. Here you're going to see the site publishes in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Then you're going to come up here and you're going to simply click here where it says current page, and you're going to click that button. It's going to take you to the page that you just created. Here again, you have a headline, a subheadline. They talk about here on the ClickFunnels blog. Understand that all these aspects and these components you will build on as time goes along. Of course, there's plenty of videos here on the channel, link in the description to get free training on how to set up your own affiliate marketing business as well. But don't get lost in the simple fact that right now you're focused on getting a free funnel builder and building out the components that you need in place, which is an opt-in page that you see here, that you're going to get your target audience from your content on YouTube or Facebook over to the opt-in page, add them to your email list, and then get them over to a thank you page, and then over to your affiliate offer to earn commissions. But here we're focused on opt-in page, thank you page, again, that you see here, that was simply built here inside of the free editor or the free page builder from Groove. Again, go back here, click on this component, see how simple it is once you click on this component, again called Aweber component, configure. Once you get this configured and you set this up to a list, which again, there's cards and videos here on the channel that explain this. For now, just understand that you're going to be redirecting that to a page, which is the page that you built here from a template, which is the thank you purchase page. Click update. That's going to allow this component, once someone enters their email and their name, to redirect you to that thank you page, and simply come up here and publish that again to the website by clicking the publish button. Site publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes. Then click here to go back to that current page. Now when you're on this page, again, you'll have a headline, a subheadline. You'll have some type of compelling component here. But the key here is to keep it simple and see what happens here after someone enters their email and their name and clicks the subscribe button. It simply redirects them to another page here where you have information, says thank you for purchase, thank you for opting in. Again, this page is a page inside the funnel that is a template that all you have to do is click here, edit these components. Again, thank you for your purchase. This could just as easily say thank you for your interest. Click the button below to find out more. Simply grab an element here, come down, find a button, drag this button over, drop it in right there. Select that component, come over here. You can see how easy you can configure the text on the button. Click here, and then you simply link to a URL, which is your affiliate offer. In this case, we'll just link to 30minutemarketing.net, and we'll click update. We'll go back up to publish. Again, we will publish that website here to publish all the pages and all the changes that we made. Site publish in progress. Now when someone opts into your email list, they again will land on this thank you page. They'll click here, as you can see in the left-hand corner. This would be where you place your affiliate link. In this case, it's going to be to my website. And when someone clicks that button, it's going to take them over to a page that you see here, which is an opt-in page, which if you want to test this and see how this works, link in the description to get this free training that will get you unstuck. And this is a free action plan for affiliate marketing that's only 2 clicks away. And you can see exactly how this works by entering your name and your email, clicking this consent button and clicking get started. And there you have seen exactly what ClickFunnels tells you to do, but with a free resource called Groove and a free email autoresponder called Aweber to build and start your affiliate marketing right now today with a simple affiliate funnel with the 2 pages that you see here that you need to create, the opt-in page, the thank you page that leads over to an affiliate offer. And it's just that simple to get started with this basic idea using the first page, which is an opt-in page that gets you email subscribers, the second page, which is a thank you page that builds trust with your audience, and that third page, which is the affiliate offer sales page that makes you commissions. So now that you've built your pages, all you need is traffic. And to learn exactly how to get traffic to these 2 pages you just built for free, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.